Hi guys, welcome again to our channel Inventor 254. Today we are going to do a review on a hand mixer that I ordered online this week from Jumia online store. Uh, the hand mixer that I ordered is a BM satellite hand mixer. Yes, you can see from the box itself is a BM 341, and it has a mixer for the a beater for the eggs, and then a mixer for the duck. Let's open it and see what's inside. So this hand mixer I ordered it for less than $6. So if you need a hand mixer, you can also order from Jumia. But for me, the reason why I ordered this hand mixer was not just specifically for mixing things. There's something inside I need it for. There is a motor inside that I need it for my projects. And let's see what. So there's the manual, I think. Yes, there's the manual, and some recipe that they have given you for the tool. So from the manuals we can see that this is the duck mixer. This tool, duck mixer, and this tool is for egg beater. Egg beater. Okay. So okay, so let us see what is inside. So this is our mixer. It's as simple as it looks. It's so small, but I think it has inside something that I need. So let us test it if it's working. So these are the knob. So there's the off lever, then there's the speed from 0 to 7. So it's a 7 speeds hand mixer BM satellite. The rating is let's see, 7 speed and mixer. So you use from the it has a 130 watts. So consumption of power is 130 watts, and then you use from the normal wall socket of 240 volts. So let us connect it to the power. So you remove this covering. So I have already connected to the power. Next, if you want to use the egg beater, then you connect it. Look the way I will connect it. This way, you insert it that way, also this way. So we have already connected our egg beater to the hand mixer. Then this is the power on. So you from off you set it to the speed of 1. You see, it's rotating. So it's a powerful hand mixer that I just got for less than $6. So that's the speed of 7, and still the speed has increased. Okay, So if you want to eject out the levers, you press and then you remove the levers. You press here inside and then you remove the mixer here. So now we are going to insert for duff mixer. That's if you want to bake, let's say it's a cake, biscuit mix, you want to mix a biscuit mix. So I have already inserted it. You see it's not coming out. Then now you switch it on, and then after finishing mixing, so off, speed of 1, you increase off. So that's our hand mix. So that is it, guys. Remember to subscribe to our channel Inventor 254. See you again in our next video. Thank you.